Hello students. So today we'll be learning in a digital format. So kids, in this chapter we will learn about the water and its need. So all living things need water, right? We are human beings, we are living beings, animals, plant, right? These are all living things and they all need water. So we need water for what? We need water for many things. Like what? We need water for drinking, we drink water. We need water for cleaning utensils, right? We also clean our utensils using water only. We need water to wash vegetables and fruits, right? So whenever we eat fruits or vegetables, we always clean them. Using what? Using the water. Now, we need water for washing clothes. So, we also wash our dirty clothes using water. We need water for bathing. So, we bath every day, right? Using water. So, we need water for bathing also. We need water for cooking also, right? So, we need water for everything that we do in our day, right? So, can you see the importance of water in our lives? So, do you know kids, a person can live for a month without food but cannot live for a week without a water, right? So, we can live for a month, okay, without the food, right? We can sustain without food for at least a month, but will not be able to survive if we'll not get water for a week. So, this is how important water is for us. So, animals and plants also need water just like human beings, and animals need water for drinking and bathing, right? They also drink water, they also bath just like us. Plants need water too for growing and making food, right? So plants need water for what? Growing their height, right? Growing their flowers, fruits and making food for themselves and also for us. Some animals and plants live in water. So have you ever seen frog or fishes, right? Crocodiles, they live in water and such animals cannot live on land. So therefore, water is important for those animals also who lives under the water. Now kids, what are the sources of water? We are talking about water, but where do we get water from? Okay, we get water from our taps. But from where does the water come in the tap? So, let's understand that. Water comes to us from many sources and rain is the main source of water, right? Naturally, in the nature, right, where do we get water from? Through the rain. It gets stored in lakes, ponds, springs, rivers, seas and oceans. So, what are the different things that we see in nature like rivers, seas, ponds, lakes and even glaciers also, right? It's all because of the water that has come through the rain. Okay, so water is also found underground, right? Have you ever seen a well? So well has water underground, right? We take out this groundwater with the help of wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Water reaches our home with the help of pipes and taps. So we use this groundwater and sometimes the water from the lakes, rivers is also used, right? Is also supplied in our homes using pipes, right? And we get that through taps. So now students, we have different types of water. Not types but sources, if you can see. We have water in lakes, we have in ocean, then glaciers also, and then groundwater also. What do you think? Which water is good for drinking? Which water is fit for our health? So kids, we should always drink clean water. We should always clean the water before we drink. So if we drink dirty water, we will fall ill, right? We can clean water by boiling it. So we can boil the water on the gas, right? And we can clean that water by boiling it. So what boiling does? So boiling kills the germ in it. Boiling kills the germs present in the water. And we can also use water filters to clean water. So have you heard about RO, right? We all have RO in our houses, right? So we use these water filters to clean water. Now, the tap water that comes in our houses through pipes is safe to drink. We should store water in clean containers like buckets, pots, tanks, bottles and jugs. So kids, the tap water, the water that we get from the tap is safe for drinking. But in some areas, it's not so much fit for drinking, right? So we should check before using it. We should store this water, right? We should not waste it in clean containers. Kids, do you know clean water has no color, taste or smell? So the clean water will be having no color, no taste and no smell. Okay? So in this chapter, we learned that every drop of water is precious, right? It is scarce. So we should try our best to save it. We should always drink clean water and keep the source water clean. So kids, we learned that every drop of water is precious to us. It is important to us and we should therefore keep the sources also clean, right? So I hope this chapter is clear to you. So based on the understanding from this chapter, you have to revise and do the exercise in your homework.